So this customer lifted the carpet and found this absolutely beautiful parquet floor, and he asked us to restore it. So it was full of scratches, blocks missing. There was a really challenging bit around the fireplace. This is what it ended up looking like. Now to get there, it was a bit of a challenge. So we took the belt sander to it, went through the grits, and we had to take out the blocks around the fireplace, cut some new blocks to shape, and then fill them in. So this was me just testing the template, making sure that they go in all right before I started to adhese them and stick them down. So here's me using a rubber hammer, which was a first, and then got it all sanded and blended in, and it actually turned out really well. Obviously dust extraction in place again, went over it with the flexi sand, back through the grits to get the fine sanding done in readiness for it to be finished off. So here we go. So filled all the gaps in first of all, and then put a clear coat lacquer down. This really brought out the colour and the warmth in the parquet floor, and you can see there we filled in that gap with some caulk, and yeah, it was a fantastic finish. Customer was so happy with this job, and it was all worth it because they were a little bit uncertain whether the taking out the actual restoring it was going to be worth the money, and it absolutely was. So would I take on a fireplace again? It was a bit of a challenge, but I possibly would, yeah, because this job turned out